Selling your car in North Carolina? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your North Carolina Certificate of Title, issued by the North Carolina DMV. Everything you sign is on the back, in the first reassignment section. And North Carolina requires your signature to be notarized. So don't sign until you're in front of a notary. Use blue or black ink only. No other colors, no pencil or marker. And don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1, and the most important, don't sign yet. In front of a notary, sign the seller's signature line. If 2 owners are listed, both must sign. Step 2, enter your current mileage in the odometer reading box. Whole miles only, no tenths, and check the box that matches your reading. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old, so if you're not sure whether yours qualifies, just enter the reading. Step 3, fill in the buyer's name and address on the name of buyer and address of buyer lines. Step 4, print your full name on the seller's hand-printed name line, matching the name shown on the title. Step 5, the notary completes their section. The county, the acknowledgement, their signature and seal, and their commission expiration. That's what makes your signature official in North Carolina. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it, either on the title itself or with a separate lien release letter. One thing North Carolina sellers can't skip: take your license plates off the car when you sell it. Turn them into a plate agency before you cancel the vehicle's insurance. Letting it lapse can cost you. You may also need to notify the DMV you sold the car.